Placed atop K-Seal's Ultimate Head Gasket Repair, Do-It Corporation's UGH bottle cap flag draws attention to the product in any crowded auto repair fluid product aisle. The digitally printed on-product flag adheres tightly to the cap of the K-Seal's bottle of Ultimate Head Gasket Repair and hangs down, resting just above the bottle's label. Unlike other elastic-based products, the flag remains attached in the same location on the bottle, giving the overall display a more clean, uniform look in the store. The proprietary adhesive used on the UGH provides strong adhesion, yet easily peels off, leaving no residue. The bottle cap flag is digitally printed on a white 4mm OPP XT film, an extra tear-resistant synthetic paper made from a unique mixture of calcium carbonate and polypropylene resin. This material provides excellent digital printing performance with extra tear strength and weather-resistant properties.